I know I cannot be the only one looking to have a minimalistic makeup look while yet giving I put effort. And hello you guys, it is your girl ArleesiaRheenay here, and welcome back to another video. First and foremost, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, because on this channel you'll find all types of content ranging from plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if those are videos that you like to watch, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts so you can keep up with me on my day-to-day. You guys, I have been really trying to perfect my everyday minimalistic makeup look, and I feel like I might have done it. And if you guys want to see how I got it, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. We are starting out with a clean moisturized base. Now you guys, I literally have like 15 minutes to get myself together. I am doing my godparently duty. My goddaughter asked me to make some mac and cheese for her little class Thanksgiving feast, so that's what I did. And of course, I am going to bring it down there to, you know, just spend some time with her and her class and enjoy the little feast. So I'm going to do that. As you guys see, I am just filling in the brows. I'm not doing too much because, as you guys see by the title, this is very minimalistic, but I just want to, you know, fill in the front of my brows just a little bit and darken the arch up a little bit as well. You guys, it is super cold outside. I feel like the last couple of videos, especially about like the clothing ones, I've been like, oh, you know, I don't know what's going on, but it's not feeling like fall, blase blase. Well, baby, it is given very much winter at this point. It is so cold, you guys, and I literally cannot believe it. I'm taking my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in Deep Cinnamon. And I'm just going to use this to cover up some of my hyperpigmentation. The main one is this one here on the side. And then I'm just going to kind of go over my nose and under my eyes there, around the mouth. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of let that sit for a little bit. Let it sit for about a good 2 minutes now, and I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out. You guys, crazy crazy thing, I have been really thinking about, I can't believe I'm about to say this, cutting my hair into a bob and wearing it straight. I know. Now, do I want to go ahead and get a relaxer? I don't think so, but I have seriously been considering cutting it into a bob and just being a straight natural, if that makes sense. Like, not putting a relaxer on it, and I know it's going to be a lot of work if I don't put a relaxer on it, but I just don't want to go back to the creamy crack, as we used to call it. And I don't know, I've been really feeling a bob and just straight hair recently. I don't know, I can't believe it. I really cannot believe it, because I never thought in a million years that I would go back to putting heat on my hair or even cutting it into like a specific style. Yes, right now it is cut, but it's a curly cut, so I don't know. I talked to my husband and he was like, yeah, do it. Like, I think it would look so nice. My husband is so supportive. He's like super supportive. I'm taking the NARS Tinted Moisturizer because, again, we're going for a very minimal face. So I'm just taking the tinted moisturizer and using that instead of a foundation. But yeah, so I don't know. I've been really considering cutting my hair into a bob, and it's crazy. It is crazy, because to think that I want to, you know, or I'm gonna have to put heat on my hair, I think is the craziest part. Because you guys, I'm trying to think as far as like flat iron heat. Of course I use a blow dryer, or a dryer I should say, to help with deep conditioning my hair, but I don't know, just the thought of having to put a flat iron to my curls is just was kind of holding me back for the most part. And I know some people's like, oh, it's hair, it'll grow back. And yes, it will, because I have cut my hair numerous times, which I will probably insert some pictures, but I have cut my hair, dyed my hair, done all kind of things with my hair numerous times, and obviously it has grew back. But I don't know, y'all. I was just like, I'm never putting in a flat iron to my hair again. I'm not messing up my curl pattern. And I know being a natural, being like a straight natural girly is definitely gonna cause some heat damage to my curls. So that's just the thing. That's just the issue that I'm toying back and forth with. It's just, you know, damaging my curls. We've blended that out. Now we're going in with the NARS concealer. This one here is in medium deep 2.5. This is in chestnut, and I'm going to mix this with another NARS concealer in the shade medium dark 3, and I am going to like put one dot of the light, no, 2 dots of the light and 1 dot of the dark, just to go ahead and give me a little bit of a brighter under eye, but nothing too crazy. And excuse me if you can hear my washer machine in the back. I am literally multitasking, y'all. I am trying to sit here and do my makeup, bake mac and cheese, and wash clothes, child, because even in the midst of me filming and doing my godparent, you know, duties, the house still needs to be taken care of, child. So, yeah. But that's like literally my only hiccup as far as going to cutting my hair into a bob. So, we will see. I saw this young lady on TikTok using this type of like fluffy brush to blend out her concealer on her under eye, and you guys, it came out beautiful. So I think I'm going to try that, because I know I started doing the, you know, under eye trick, whereas I'm just going to put my blush on first and then blend this out to give it more of a, you know, seamless and flawless look. But because I am going for a more natural face, I'm not going to do too much contouring or anything. I'm just going to go in with bronzer. So I'm not going to do that type of makeup style today and use that type of method. So I'm gonna do this here, and you guys, this came out really good. I like how that looks. Like it's bright, but it's not too bright. Child, me and my husband binge watched Selling Sunset, right? Like, I think it might have been released like on a Wednesday or a Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. And we watched it a Friday night after work and a little bit on Saturday. And let me tell y'all something. That cast, honey, that cast is very, very funny, and they literally make me crack up. So then, you know, we watched all of that, and then obviously, I think it was the 15th of this month of November, they released the reunion. Obviously, there was spoilers on TikTok and stuff, so I saw like snippets of it. But honey, I'm just taking my translucent powder and just going in where I put that concealer and just adding some translucent powder, because I don't want to make it too light, which is why I'm not using the One Size Pink powder. But I'm just going to take this translucent powder just to set it. But yeah, so the freaking reunion, child, it had me in tears, like cracking up, because first of all, the fact that Chelsea did not want to do that lie detector, talk about, oh no, I've already seen that it had discrepancies and blah, blah, blah. Girl, please. You didn't want to do that lie detector test because you saw all the questions that the other cast members were getting asked or were being asked, and you was like, yeah, no. Because I wholeheartedly do not like that she, you know, treats Bree a certain type of way because of the lifestyle she chose to live. That's Bree's business. Like, leave Bree alone. If Bree want to have that type of lifestyle, then let her. Like, it's not your life. So why do you care? I am religious, and the thing that gets me is she's always like, oh, well, you know, in the beginning, I think it was like season 6. Yeah, because this was season 7. So in season 6, she was like, you know, I really don't like Brie because it's just not a part of my religious beliefs to even condone or have that type of lifestyle. But one, you said the key word, my religious beliefs. Like, your religious beliefs should not be, you know, thrown off to everybody. That's your religious beliefs. That's for you. And secondly, I'm sorry, if you're Christian or you're saying you're Christian, I'm pretty sure, you know, being a Christian is also, you're supposed to be nice as well. And baby, you do not exude nice at all. Like, not at all. Like, you have ways about you that are not very Christian-like, and I'm pretty sure you would get called out about it, expressly always talk about, oh, I'm a Christian and blah, blah, blah. And I don't like that. So it's like, you can't sit here or should not sit here and talk about Brie's life. Just let her live her life. If that's what she chooses to do, then that's what she chooses to do. And again, I really believe that she did not want to take that lie detector test because they were going to ask her, you know, questions about Brie, and she didn't want it to come out. She didn't want the truth to come out. So I just was like, oh my God. And then the part that broke my heart, oh, I'm sorry y'all, I'm taking the Fenty Sun Kiss bronzer and just bronzing my face. But the part that got me was the fact that what's her name? Oh my God, I just was watching her on TikTok, literally. Chriselle says she does not trust Amanda. Oh my God. And to hear that, it literally just made me sad, because if you've watched the show since season 1, then you know their relationship was just, it was cute, it was loving, it gave sister vibes, and the fact that that is no more, like, it kind of stung a little bit. And I know somebody's probably like, girl, it's just reality TV, it's probably made up, I don't know, but you know, it stung quite a bit. And to, you know, have such a series of unfortunate events between them two, like, yes, I get it, Amanda shouldn't have put her on blast in front of people. Like, I'm sorry, I don't mind being corrected, but like, if you're my friend, honey, correct me in private. Don't correct me in front of people. You know what I mean? Especially like that, especially in front of people or certain people that's sitting at that table that already do not like me. Like, no, because to me, that's just like you allowing them the time and the space to go ahead and talk about me in front of you. And I feel as though if we are friends, honey, no one should feel comfortable. Or if we are truly friends, no one should feel comfortable enough to be able to have those type of conversations about me in front of you. Like, I don't agree with that at all. Like, as a friend, that's a no. That's an absolute no for me. I just went in with the Makeup Revolution liquid blush. Everything that I'm using will be down below, because y'all know when I get to talking, it is very hard for me to focus. I'm just going back in with that bronzer and putting it on my lids here. Y'all, we are almost done, which is good, because I need to start getting dressed and pulling my hair down for real, because we are like almost running out of time. But yeah, y'all, I love that show. I really do. And that's like literally like my garbage TV, honestly. Like, I like drama as far as on TV, but honey, I don't like it in my life. So as long as it's on TV, I'm cool with it. I don't want it in my life for sure, because I don't have time to deal with drama in my life. Like, no one has time for that. But I absolutely loved it. And then the trailer for Selling OC, honey, they knew what they was doing, because I feel like I don't remember them ever bringing the OC group out during a reunion. First, did they ever have a reunion before? Now I gotta think about that. I don't know if they even ever had a reunion for them. I don't know. I have to think about that. But honey, I said, ooh, not them bringing out that cast to, you know, sit there and get the hype train going for their episodes or their new season. Because honey, did they get the hype train going? Like they knew what they were doing. They knew. They said, let's just go ahead and put y'all on the reunion so we could get people hype for the new episodes. Because honey, the drama that they showed, I said, child. I'm going in with my Morphe Bacon Set powder. This is in, I forgot the shade. I have it below like always. But I'm just going to go ahead and set the areas that I did not put powder on. But yeah, child. I said, ain't no way. Ain't no way, honey. It is drama. I mean, again, I'm here for the drama. As long as it's not in my life, child. As long as it's not in my life and it's on TV, then baby, I'm here for it. I ain't got no problems with it. But, ooh, that Selling OC is gonna be good. I feel like their first season was meh. Like, it wasn't as good as Selling Sunset. But as it keep going, it is living up. It is living up to the hype of the drama anyway, as far as Selling Sunset. And just like that, y'all, we are literally almost done with the face. I'm just going to add my mascara. This is the Hella Thick by Fenty, the one that I have been absolutely in love with. And you guys, I have to hurry up because it's already 23. So I am definitely throwing on a dress and throwing on a dress and some sneakers and calling it a day, child, because I don't even have the time. I don't have the time, y'all. I still have to carry that hot mac and cheese out to my car and get my life together. So yeah, I'm telling y'all, I feel like I can be in such great timing when it comes to me doing things, and then next thing you know, when I start doing it, time just escapes from me. I feel like when I started filming this, y'all, it was literally 10 o'clock. Or maybe like 9:59. Yeah, I guess basically 10 o'clock. And now it's 10:23. I don't know how that happened, but yeah. And for the lips, I'm going in with the Pro Kisser from Fenty. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, Fenty, she never does wrong by me. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, she never does wrong by me. She hooks the girls up, okay? All right, I'm about to pull down this hair, show y'all the final look with the hair down, and I'm out of here. And just like that, you guys, we are back, and I am absolutely enjoying and digging the look, you guys. It came out so well. It looked like we put forth so much effort, and we really did not. We used minimal effort, minimal products, and the look is giving maximum on all scales. I love it. I will say this e.l.f. concealer though, it is definitely not liking me. It is kind of like creasing already, so I'm probably just gonna have to either get me a new e.l.f. concealer or just go straight with the NARS concealer. But other than that, you guys, the look came out amazing. This is a look that I can see myself wearing every single day. Something that is very easy to put on. It does not take me a lot of time to put on. And you guys, I'm not using a lot of product, which means I am keeping some money in my pocket. As always, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into another video of mine. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with family members, and make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.